So, I got myself a deep fryer. So what better way to christen it than to make some fried chicken. So I've already gone ahead and I've got some chicken thighs in here. So they're just boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And I've got them marinating in they're in some buttermilk. And I put some spices in there. We'll put it all up on a screen what's in there. So to go with that, I'm gonna make a ranch dressing. Again, everything that's in there, but I'm also going to put a little bit of mint in there with it because it's super hot today, and I think that'll go nice with it. And also, I've already got some potatoes cut up into chips, and I've washed them to get all the starch off. That should help them get them nice and crispy. And then we've got a salad to go along with it, and we'll make up a little dressing. And I'm going to crush up some pumpkin seeds and put into the batter when we fry up the chicken. So yeah, it should be good. Okay, so for the ranch dressing, it's about equal parts buttermilk, sour cream, and mayonnaise. So I'll go ahead and mix that up. So we'll put about that much. And then like that, and mayonnaise. That's enough of that. Okay, now I've just got some chives and parsley chopped up here. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of teaspoons of those in. And dried dill. I went to the shop and I couldn't find any fresh dill, so I'm gonna have to go with the dried stuff. So with the dried stuff, it's always a lot stronger than the fresh. So we'll just about 1.5 of them. And also with this mint, go ahead and we'll put just a pinch of that in. And then salt. Pepper. And lemon that I haven't cut and I haven't got a knife. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, we'll go in with the juice of half a lemon. All right, once you got that in, just give it a little mix in, and then we'll give it a taste to see what else it needs. All right, I just had a little taste of it, and I added a little bit more mayonnaise and sour cream to it, and just give it another little mix up. And give it a taste. Yeah, that's about right. Okay, you're just going to get your pumpkin seeds, dump a whole bunch into a pestle and mortar, and just go ahead and start crunching them up. You could probably also do this in a food processor, but for this amount, it's probably just as easy to do it in one of these. Okay, in a dish, or I've got a little baking tray here, I've got just some universal flour in there. I'm gonna add some salt to that. You wanna season it pretty well. And some pepper. And then you're gonna add your chopped up pumpkin seeds. And just mix that through. Okay, so to bread the chicken, you just wanna get your chicken out of the mix. Just wipe off a little bit of the excess and go into your flour. Coat it well. And then back into your buttermilk. And then back in the flour. Make sure it's well coated. Then once you've done it twice, just shake off the excess, put it in a pan, and continue on with the rest. So as I was breading the chicken now, I realized that usually I put some corn flour in with my flour to make it, and it should make the chicken nice and crispy. Now I've always done it like this, but I've never actually done it without. So I've already done about 4 pieces of the chicken without the corn flour. I'm going to do it the rest of it just to actually see if it does make a difference or not. So after trying the cornstarch or no cornstarch, there's no difference with the crunch. They're both really good.